Hello everyone, today I have a video on how to implement jQuery into your HTML document as well as what a jQuery page would require. So make your head an HTML tag as well as your body tag. So in your head tag, make a script as if you were making a JavaScript tag, but instead of having contents, we're going to give it the attribute source and say jQuery.js. You can find this file in my description. I highly recommend you use your own file and upload it yourself rather than link to your file from another website, because their website could go down. It's not very reliable. So I'd recommend you download the file I have and then upload it to your own folder that you're using your HTML file in, or tell the HTML file what directory it's in, rather than using a link to another site, no matter how reliable. Yeah. Okay, so then make your script tag for JavaScript. Just like normal. And at the beginning of every page that jQuery, for every page that you include jQuery, you want to say document dot ready function. Sorry. And then that basically makes sure that all the elements of your document are loaded or are ready on the page, that they exist before it tries to execute any code, so that you don't have any issues with trying to move a link before it exists or resize an image before it exists. So yeah, here's basically what jQuery requires to run, and then you would write your jQuery code or JavaScript like so inside of this document.ready function. Focus or whatever. And you can also just use regular JavaScript. Var I is equal to 20 alert I, and then you can save that and open it. Oh, sorry. There we go. Oh, that didn't work. One sec. Sorry. This should be working. Huh. Well, anyway, you can mess around with that. Ignore that little issue. But you can use any JavaScript inside of your jQuery code. I'll show you more about jQuery syntax and how it works, and events that you can use with it, and effects, and how you select elements, and a bunch of other things. But for now, just make sure for every jQuery page you include your jQuery script, which is listed in the description. It looks like that. You don't have to read any of this at all. It's just a framework. But and then also make sure you have your document.ready function. And in case you didn't know what was cool about jQuery, you can do a lot of animation stuff a lot of effects like fading or things that normally you would only be able to do with Flash, or you'd only think you'd be able to do with Flash. But you can really do them and make them look a lot better with jQuery than with JavaScript, and be a lot simpler. As well as you can use it to make AJAX calls, like update your page without reloading it, and you can also use it to simplify your JavaScript code and many other things. But yeah, for now, just make sure you have these two components in every jQuery document, and I will see you in my next tutorial.